All right, so next up, we'll move on to the law of conservation of matter. So, right, you can see that this is a law, so this is generally going to be accepted as true, right? This is as close to a fact as you're going to get. So when we're talking about the law of conservation of matter, right, it's pretty simple. There's no matter what kind of change you have, a physical or chemical change, the overall mass stays the same. Right, so if you have, for example, ice melting into water, if you start off with 20 pounds of ice, you're going to end up with 20 pounds of water, right? And so there's a physical change, right, going from a solid to a liquid, but chemical changes are the same thing. So let's take a look at the combustion of butane. So for example, if we have butane, which will be C4H10, don't really worry about that too much. And then we combine it with oxygen, O2, will form carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, which is H2O. So for example, if we have 29 grams of butane, combine it with 104 grams of oxygen, that's a total of 133 grams. Since we have 133 grams on the left, we have to have 133 grams on the right because all of our matter has to be conserved. In this case, we'll end up with 88 grams of CO2 and 45 grams of water, but overall, the law of conservation of matter states that no matter the type of the change, the overall mass must stay the same.